Picking a blockchain in 2025, two names keep popping up. Hyperliquid for trading and Sui for everything else. Let's break down which one fits your needs better. Hyperliquid is a layer 1 blockchain built only for one thing: trading. It runs its own exchange for perpetual futures. Think of it like a super fast crypto casino that you actually control. Sui is different. It's a general purpose layer 1 blockchain built by ex-Facebook engineers. It handles games, apps, payments, whatever you throw at it. The goal is making blockchain feel like using a normal app. Hyperliquid crushes it for trading speed, sub-second finality. That means your trades settle almost instantly. It handles 200,000 transactions per second. Feels exactly like using a big exchange like Binance, but it's fully on-chain. Sui goes even bigger on raw speed, 300,000 transactions per second. They process things in parallel. That means multiple actions happen at once instead of waiting in line. Perfect for games and apps with tons of users. Here's the big difference. Hyperliquid does one thing: trading with leverage, perpetual futures, spot trading, that's it. Over 70% of all decentralized perpetual trading happens here. $400 million traded daily. Sui wants to be your favorite everything blockchain: gaming, social apps, payments, NFTs. They have easy login features, no scary seed phrases. It feels like Web 2 but runs on Web 3 tech. Hyperliquid keeps fees tiny, 0.025 basis points for takers. Makers actually get paid. Super competitive with big exchanges. Sui's fees stay under a penny, sometimes just fractions of a cent. Great for small transactions and game actions that happen constantly. Hyperliquid went all in on community, no venture capital funding. They gave 70% of the tokens directly to users through airdrops. Average wallets got $200,000 worth. That's insane. Sui took the traditional route, raised $300 million from big names like Andreessen Horowitz. More corporate backing and more institutional support. Bottom line, if you're a trader who wants the fastest perpetual futures platform, Hyperliquid wins. If you want to build apps, play games, or need a blockchain that does everything, Sui is your pick. Both are killers, just different lanes. Drop your votes below. Hyperliquid or Sui. See you in the next one, guys.